Welcome to MacFox's Rapid ECG Learning. Today, we are diving into the essential rules of a normal ECG. Let's get started. Rule number 1. PR interval should be 120 to 200 milliseconds or 3 to 5 little squares. Rule number 2. The width of the QRS complex should not exceed 110 milliseconds, which is less than 3 small squares. Rule number 3. The QRS complex should be positive in lead 1 and lead 2. Rule number 4. QRS and T wave tends to have a same direction in limb leads. Rule number 5. All waves must be negative in lead area. Rule number 6. The R wave must grow from V1 to at least V4 and the S wave must grow from V1 to at least V3 and disappear in V6. Rule number 7. The ST segment should start isoelectric excepting V1 and V2, wherein may be elevated. Rule number 8. The P wave should be upright in lead 1, 2 and V2 to V6. Rule number 9. There should not be any Q wave or only a small Q wave with less than 0.04 seconds in width in lead 1, 2 and V1 to V6. Rule number 10. The T wave must be positive in lead 1, 2 and V1 to V6.